Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening PowerPoint and switching to normal view so notes are visible. Once done, open the Notes pane via View Notes or press Alt+N and set a clear intent. Are these speaking cues, a transcript, or handout text? This choice shapes length, tone, and structure. Make sure to use short cues for prompts and full sentences for transcripts. Finally, create a simple template, heading, one-line cue, and optional stage directions to keep consistency across slides. Now you write the notes to guide delivery and accuracy. Use short cues for timing and longer sentences when you need a verbatim script. This lets you switch quickly between speaking styles. Add explicit reminders, pause markers, emphasis words, slide transition cues so you don't lose flow. Include brief references like data sources, figure numbers, or alt text to answer audience questions. Once you populate a few slides, skim through aloud and adjust phrasing that trips you up. Finish by exporting and rehearsing so your notes become usable tools. Export notes pages to PDF or print handouts for the audience, and rehearse using presenter view or record audio to test pacing. Make sure slide order and numbering match your handouts. If alignment or formatting breaks when printing, reset the notes master layout and reapply the template. This fixes inconsistent spacing. If audio and slides slip, shorten cues and rehearse with a timer until transitions feel natural.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.